Thinking of buying a rental property? One hidden mistake could cost you thousands. Whether you are here in South Africa or investing anywhere in the world, the cash flow you dream about and the nightmare losses you fear all come down to one thing: how you inspect. Are you building wealth, or you just hoping you won't lose it? In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to stop your pre-inspection, catch costly beginner mistakes, dodge the deal killers, run a professional inspection, and negotiate like a boss. This is your blueprint for inspecting rental property like a pro. Save it now because you will need it every time you buy. Tag a friend buying soon, you'll save them thousands. Miss just one step and your great deal could turn into your biggest regret. By the way, I'm Ekow. I'm a legacy builder, a property investor, and a former investment banker. And on this channel, we talk all things property investing and smart strategy moves that help you build real wealth without getting played. Starting with session 1, what to do during your free pre-inspection. Now, let's kick off with step 1 of section 1, your free pre-inspection. Before you pay a cent, here is how you crash your free pre-check. After inspecting dozens of properties myself and nearly getting burned once, I made sure this checklist leaves nothing out. 1. Google the property address. 2. Check crime statistics using SAPS crime stats. 3. Check zoning and ownership records on limestone property. And while you are at it, check if there's a servitude, like a sewer line cutting across the land. It might block your future development plan. 4. Do a drive-by. Quick check, are you already scouting deals or stacking up your skills for later? Drop me a bull's eye if you are putting these tools to work. Always do the daughter test. Would you let your daughter live there? Also check for cell signals. If a tenant can take a call from inside, that's a red flag for future complaints. If your gut says, maybe not, your wallet is about to say definitely not. Quick real-world example. One of my students did exactly this free pre-inspection and spotted something most beginners will miss: an illegal basement flat. The seller didn't mention it, but after checking zoning and doing the daughter test drive-by, it stood out. Long story short, the student saved nearly 80,000 Rand in future demolition fines just by doing the basic right. Honestly, this same checklist once saved me from a 400,000 Rand foundation mistake. One inspection, one decision saved me 400,000 Rand. And that's why I take inspections seriously, and you should too. Imagine losing money because you didn't know what to look for. That's why this inspection checklist matters. And hey, even if you are not buying your first rental yet, saving this checklist could save you thousands when the time comes. Get the exact checklist I use before every deal. Just WhatsApp me free checklist to the number on screen and I'll send it to you now. Smart investors prepare before opportunity shows up. Section 2. The critical items beginners miss. Now, most beginners only look at fresh paint and new kitchens and completely miss these big traps. Bullets to dodge this. This seems small now, but trust me, miss just one and it can cripple your rental profit for years. Let's break them down. Think of this like your property inspection cheat code. It will help you dodge expensive mistakes almost nobody talks about. 1. Mold. Mold thrives after winter rains. Some black molds are toxic. You are on the hook legally if tenant gets sick. 2. Municipal issues. Illegal renovations without permit. You will face backlash from the city of Johannesburg with fines and demolition orders. 3. Zoning infractions. Don't get fooled by illegal flats. SAPOA zoning rules will actually kill your rental income if your 6th unit is actually zoned for 4. 4. ODB boards. Outdated electrical boards without earth leakage protection. Insurance company hates this kind of stuff. If you see one, budget for full rewiring. And 5. Water damage. If you smell damp, especially in Johannesburg buildings built before 1990, be very, very worried. Rising damp and crack damp proofing were common back then. And trust me, the repair bills will hit your wallet hard. If you want to go deeper into the exact checklist I use, book a free consultation at propertyaskow.com. I will help you inspect like a pro every single time. Next up, section 3, how to spot hidden deal killers before you buy. Here's the scary part. Most people think an inspection is just checking if the taps work. Wrong. There are landmines hiding in plain sight. If you miss even one, it could blow up your cash flow for years. Alright, first up, the silent killer that drains more investors' pocket than anything else, the roof. And here is the thing, no matter where you are investing, if you don't inspect right, you are gambling with your future cash flow. And that's bad business. A bad roof can cost you 200,000 rand or more, especially after heavy South African rains. Never skip the roof inspection. I nearly lost a deal in Pretoria because the roof had hidden sagging tiles. Landmine number 2, plumbing. Old steel or polycon pipes in SA buildings are a silent threat. One burst pipe and you are knee-deep in scissors claims and angry tenants. Landmine number 3, electrical. Outdated DB boards and aluminium wiring, especially in Durban's buildings from the late 70s, can cause fire. And insurance companies like Santam will kill your cover. Landmine number 4, geysers. Geysers, the unsung heroes. One burst during load shedding and you are coughing 15K for a new one. Landmine number 5, foundation. South African clay soils shift, and if the foundation cracks, you are looking at 6-figure repairs. I once built on a cruise river project because of this. Tag a friend who is house hunting right now. You might just save them from a 6-figure nightmare. Section 4, how to run a full professional property inspection the right way. Now let's level up. It's time to do a full professional inspection the right way. 1. Hire a qualified NHBRC inspector. 2. Inspect every unit, not just a sample. 3. Be present, focus, and take notes. 4. Bring in specialists if needed. Focus on roofs, plumbing, electrical, geysers, foundations, and unit interiors. Miss one, and it's your pocket that bleeds. And if you are ready to take the next step, watch this video where I show you exactly how to calculate property cash flow the right way. Lastly, section 5, how to renegotiate or walk away like a pro. After your inspection, it's decision time. Highlight the expensive landmines. Ignore the cosmetic nonsense. Then either renegotiate like a boss based on the issues found, or walk away with your money and dignity intact. And always fall in love with the numbers, not the granite countertops. ROI over pretty things always. That marble kitchen won't pay your contractor bills when the foundation cracks. Oh, if you are planning to buy an apartment building or a multi-family unit, check out my full multi-family mastering playlist. It's everything you need from buying smart to managing with profits. I've seen investors lose 200K because they trusted a paint job. I've also seen others walk away from disasters just because they inspected smart. Which one would you be? If you are serious about growing your wealth through property, this inspection checklist is part of your survival kit. Save it, use it, and share it with other serious investors. You might just save them from a 6-figure mistake before it's too late. You are now ready to inspect like a South African property boss. Build wealth, build legacy. If you found this valuable, smash the like button and share with others who need it too. Comment what shocked you most and subscribe for realistic property tips. One inspection, one decision, one moment that either floods your future with cash or burn it all away. Don't forget, WhatsApp free checklist to the number on the screen and I'll send it to you right away. Inspect smart, invest fearless, be a legacy builder. Now go build your empire. See you in the next video. Peace.